quick, I'm just going to show you how to install Terraform on a MacBook or OS X if you're using Brew. Fairly simple and easy because Brew helps do a lot of it for you. So you just do Brew, install Terraform. Let's give it a minute here. All right, and there we go. We've got Terraform 12.26 installed. Fairly easy, straightforward, painless. There are a couple of other ways to do it. You can also get the Terraform installation package from terraform.io/downloads.html. And then there's the OS X download or the Mac OS download right here. So fairly simple, fairly straightforward. And what this is going to allow you to do is to be able to run Terraform plans, Terraform applies, initialize directories with Terraform. So I think if we look in here, yeah, I was working on something here. So if we do Terraform init, it's going to initialize the repository. There's actually something wrong with this one, so I'm not going to run a plan yet, but fairly simple and straightforward way to get Terraform installed using Brew.